Hey there, gentlemen. Welcome back to Man Glow Up, your ultimate guide to looking and feeling your best. Today, we're diving deep into hair care. Healthy, well-groomed hair can significantly enhance your appearance and boost your confidence. We'll cover everything from daily hair care routines to the best products for different hair types. Make sure to stick around till the end, and let's get started. Understanding your hair type. First up, let's talk about understanding your hair type. Knowing whether you have straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair is crucial for choosing the right products and routines. Each hair type has unique needs, so identifying yours is the first step to healthy hair. Daily hair care routine. Next, let's discuss a solid daily hair care routine. Regardless of your hair type, these steps will help you maintain clean, healthy hair. Washing your hair. Start with a quality shampoo that suits your hair type. Avoid washing your hair every day as it can strip natural oils. Aim for 2-3 times a week. Conditioning. Always follow up with a conditioner. It helps to hydrate and detangle your hair. Focus on the ends and avoid applying too much to the scalp to prevent greasiness. Drying. After washing, gently towel dry your hair. Avoid rubbing vigorously as it can cause damage. For the best results, let your hair air dry or use a blow dryer on a low heat setting. Styling tips and products. Styling is where you can really make your hair stand out. Let's go over some essential styling tips and products. Hair gel and pomade. Hair gel and pomade are great for achieving a sleek, polished look. Use a small amount and work it through your hair evenly. Hair wax. For a more natural, textured look, hair wax is your go-to. It's perfect for adding volume and hold without the shine. Sea salt spray. If you prefer a casual, beachy look, sea salt spray is fantastic. It adds texture and volume, giving your hair a relaxed, tousled appearance. Addressing common hair issues. Now, let's address some common hair issues and how to tackle them. Dandruff. Dandruff can be annoying, but it's manageable with the right products. Look for an anti-dandruff shampoo containing ingredients like zinc pyrithione or ketoconazole. Hair loss. Hair loss is a common concern. Consider products with ingredients like minoxidil. And consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice. Greasy hair. If your hair tends to get greasy quickly, use a lightweight shampoo and avoid heavy styling products. Dry shampoo can also be a lifesaver between washes. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to men's hair care. Which tip did you find most useful? Or maybe there's a hair care question you have. Let us know in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Man Glow Up for more style and grooming advice. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Stay sharp, stay confident. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.